Well, I've arrived in beautiful Maylands, and you might ask why. Well, because I'm with Dean Porter from WA Asset, because this is the place Patrick and his beautiful wife Monica, they won a bathroom renovation. Now, from memory, it was pretty pink. It was pretty in pink, but probably a little bit too pink. Dino, you've transformed this. Are you happy with the result?
I think it's a great result. We've opened the room up, we've got rid of that big wall that was in the room. We've moved the shower down to the other end, the bath's gone, toilet in, changing the window. So yeah, look, really happy with the result.
Patrick, you have to look at it every day. Are you happy with it?
I'm stoked. Most importantly, my partner Monica's really pleased, so that's the main one.
So we're going to have a look?
I think we should.
Let's go and have a look. Come. This is it. Ha! Oh, wow. Wow. That is so different. That's amazing. If I was on the block, 10 out of 10.
Wonderful. Can't ask for much more.
10 out of 10. You've excelled yourself yet again. Bathroom number?
Oh, too many to count.
Oh, it's got to be in the thousands.
Yeah, 100% in the thousands. Yeah.
Would you recommend this place?
100%.